Okay, it's just one of those days. We are at a epoch defining moment, or at least that's what people are calling. Basically, if you haven't heard the news, OpenAI, along with SoftBank, along with Oracle, along with the American government, has decided to invest $500 billion with a B, $500 billion into something called Project Stargate. This is basically a project to build AI infrastructure over the next 4 years. And right now, as of now, OpenAI and the other companies are deploying $100 billion. Okay, so here's the news. Target is a new company which is intended to invest $500 billion over the next 4 years building new AI infrastructure for OpenAI. We will begin deploying $100 billion immediately. This infrastructure will secure American leadership in AI. So this is one of the major things that they discussed during the government meeting or parliament meeting, whatever it's called. And they basically said that they want to reach AGI before China, because whoever does it first will essentially have, Superman abilities over the other countries. It's that important. They are claiming it will create hundreds of thousands of American jobs and generate massive economic benefit for the entire world. अब entire world का तो भाई मेरे को पता नहीं. America definitely it will do great things for, because they will have $500 billion worth of AI infrastructure, while India is just trying to invest $1.25 billion and they don't know what to do with that as well. But let's not talk about this. Project will not only support the reindustrialization of the United States, but also prove a strategic capability to protect the national security of America and its allies. The initial equity funders in Stargate are SoftBank, OpenAI, Oracle, and MGX. SoftBank and OpenAI are the lead partners for Stargate, with SoftBank having financial responsibility and OpenAI having operational responsibility. Masayoshi Son will be the chairman. OpenAI सारा infrastructure बनवाएगा and then SoftBank will pay for it. ARM, Microsoft, Nvidia, Oracle, and OpenAI are the key initial technology partners. The build out is currently underway, starting in Texas, and we are evaluating potential sites across the country for more campus as we finalize definitive agreement. I read somewhere the campus that they are building in Texas is going to be 500,000 square feet. 500,000 square feet. It is going to be huge, absolutely huge. उसकी जो AI capabilities होंगी, you can't even imagine. Oh my god. As a part of Stargate, Oracle, Nvidia, and OpenAI will closely collaborate to build and operate this computing system. This builds on deep collaboration between OpenAI and Nvidia going back to 2016, and a newer partnership between OpenAI and Oracle. This also builds on the existing OpenAI partnership with Microsoft. OpenAI will continue to increase its consumption of Azure as OpenAI continues its work with Microsoft with this additional compute to train leading models and deliver great products and services. All of us look forward to continuing to build and develop AI, and in particular AGI, for the benefit of all humanity, which again, we believe that this new step is critical on the path and will enable creative people to figure out how to use AI to elevate humanity. And फिर उसके बाद Elon Musk भाई का बहुत बढ़िया comment आया है. They don't actually have the money. Okay, sure. Let's say that SoftBank, OpenAI, and MGX do not have the money combined to pay for this. You know what? That's actually not unreasonable. $100 billion in cash to just spend like this on something like Stargate, that might be a lot of money, but I think it's still possible since it's backed by the US government. Now, during this parliament meeting, these guys talked about a lot of stuff, and mainly their focus was on health-based benefits. Sam Altman basically claimed that all diseases would be cured, and Larry Ellison, the CEO of Oracle, basically said that they are working on this project with the help of OpenAI and SoftBank on a cancer vaccine, which will basically help by scanning someone's body for early cancer detection and developing a vaccine in 48 hours especially for them. I took this point from another YouTuber, I don't remember. Okay, Matt Wolf. Yeah, I saw it in his video, and मेरे को भी ये चीज से काफी ज्यादा concern हो रहा है. Larry Ellison has mentioned a few times how AI should be used for surveillance of everyone at all times, so everyone stays at a quote unquote good behavior. This huge data center could of course enable these companies like Stargate to do something like this. So that's a little concerning. And in fact, when I saw these videos as well of Larry Ellison, Masa, and Sam, it did not feel like we were at like the edge of a utopia. It felt like we were at the edge of a classic movie style dystopia wherein some billionaire CEOs decide that, you know what, for my benefit, I'm going to create something that's going to screw up everything, but I'm going to benefit out. That's what it felt like. Not to scare you or anything, but it's, you know, scary as hell. Another thing that I saw that I found very weird was I was watching Satya Nadella's interview talking about this, and the interviewer, he kept asking Satya Nadella, what do you think about this $500 billion investment? And Satya Nadella kept changing the topic and kept saying, अरे नहीं हमारी तो ओपन एआई के साथ पार्टनरशिप बढ़िया ही है, हम मतलब बड़े बेनिफिशियल लोग हैं ओपन एआई वाले, मजा आ गया ओपन एआई वालों के साथ काम करके. He just kept changing the topic. So maybe, you know, Microsoft has something to hide. One more very interesting thing is OpenAI literally now think about this, right? OpenAI requires so much compute power that the whole of Azure, the whole Microsoft Azure service cannot provide that compute power combined. Just think about that for a second. And that's why they're also partnering up with Oracle, which is essentially a competitor to Microsoft Azure. Whatever is going on right now, it almost feels like the Cold War that was between Russia and US, where, you know, they were doing a space race of, you know, हम लोग पहले स्पेस में चले गए. Okay, now we are the first to cross the stratosphere. We are the first to send a person in space. We are the first to go to the moon. We are the first to send a person to the moon. This race. And I think the same thing is now going on between America and China, but now this is related to AI. And AI is the kind of AI that is actually going to impact basically everything. If one country gets that AGI, people are claiming that one country is going to have superpower benefits over the other country. I think I've already mentioned this point. Yeah, overall मेरे को लगता है from an Indian perspective, it really feels like a missed opportunity, because I think from day one we knew that we had to start research on AI. We knew that we needed an Anthropic OpenAI competitor, but the Indian government and unfortunately the Indian startups and the Indian bigger companies that could have actually done something about this did nothing. Even right now, the investment that we have for the whole year is $1.25 billion. Guess how much Google and Microsoft invested in AI last month? $20 billion. So it's really a sad story that India does not get to be a part of this Cold War. But I think something is coming and it's going to be really revolutionary. What do you think about this? Let me know in the comments below. Tata, bye bye, thanks for watching.